Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the rivers and lakes of Africa. The rivers of Africa mostly flow over the plateau in their upper courses where they are navigable, means able to be sailed on by ships or boats. In the lower courses, where they descend to the coastal plains, they have numerous rapids and waterfalls, which make navigation difficult. The River Nile. The River Nile is the world's longest river. It flows northwards from East Central Africa to the Mediterranean Sea. Okay. It flows through a desert for the greater part of its length, but it has water throughout the year because its source is Lake Victoria, which lies in the rainy equatorial region. Equatorial region means equatorial regions are located in a band around the equator. Okay. Most of Africa's other major rivers, including the Congo and the Niger, empty into the Atlantic Ocean. Look at the map, Congo River and Niger River. The rivers Limpopo and Zambezi flow into the Indian Ocean. Right? Look at the map. The Chari River. The Chari River flows into Lake Chad, forming an inland drainage area. What do you mean by inland drainage area? Inland drainage is that drainage in which rivers do not reach an ocean or sea but empty their waters in a lake or an inland sea. Okay. Next, major lakes. Lake Victoria is the largest lake in Africa and is the world's second largest freshwater lake. Lake Tanganyika is another important lake which is also one of the longest freshwater lakes in the world. Okay.